Alright, sanibonani guys, lana nginiphethe question number 6 esimthola lana kule question paper yethu ka November 2022. Check out the description box for more content engirecordile for this question paper. So for now, asibone ukuthi basiphetheleni ke la kule question paper. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukushare nokusubscribe nangabe uyayi-enjoya the video. Now, with 6.1, Amy needs to buy a new computer. The computer costs 7,990. So, Amy, okay, I don't have the full amount of money available. Bese the salesperson uyamjuta ke manje uthi, so she has decided to enter into a hire purchase agreement. Yabona? So after the salesperson lapha esitolo akhuluma naye, okay man, ungawari since awunayo right, but uyaspana ngisho, here's a deal again. So kunikeza i-hire purchase agreement, uzoyithatha le laptop manje, but uyibhadala ngama-monthly installments. Okay, so the terms of the agreement, uthi nakafunda lelo guy le agreement yalelo kanje yale loan, uthola ukuthi it's 15% per annum simple interest, meaning that ilo kanje le loan ayithathayo increase by 15% on an annual basis on a simple interest. So bese bathi kwamele ayibhadale within 48 monthly payments. Monthly processing fee is this, right? Sometimes unokuthola insurance included khona lapho kulawo ma agreements, insurance just to protect ilo kanje i-asset yakho from into ezifana nabu theft, into ezifana mhlambe, let's say mhlambe yamosheka, so i-cover into ezifana nale. So this one is not insured, but there's a monthly processing fee. Yabona? Determine the monthly amount payable including interest and fees. Yizwa le question 18. Determine the monthly amount payable, right? So nainto yokuqala soyenza la sizothi 6.1, the simple, okay, accumulated is equal to principal 1 plus I times n. So the principal amount, and so this is the cost of the computer, so it's the principal amount. The laptop costs this much. Nangabunayo le mali ikhipha uyibhadala, but since awunayo ngizothatha le value, the principal amount of the computer, ngicalculate ama interest wakhona on a simple interest. I'm doing this much. 1 plus, what's the interest to 15%? So 15% divided by 100 is 0.15 times n. N, it should be in years. So 48 months is equivalent to how many months? I mean 48 months is equivalent to how many years? It's 4 years. It's 4 years. Equal to CT 7990 open bracket 1 plus 0.15 times 4 equal to, so after the 4 years the value of the computer is about 12,784, right? So the cost, meaning that when in 4 years time uyobe ubhadale imali engaka in 4 years time. So the laptop the computer will cost 7,990, but after 4 years, because of our interest, so you bhadala 12,784, right? It's not like we bhadala cash, it's not like we bhadala yonke, but we bhadala ngama monthly installments. But I think it's way better to pay cash than to pay ngama installments na. Right, bese ke babuya sifuna the monthly amount payable including ama interest nani nama fees. Now bheka ke manje monthly payments. These are the monthly payments again. Azoba equal to 12,784 rands divided by 48 months. Actually, mali le komele uyibhatale in how many months? Within 48 months. So ngithatha le 12,000 ngidivide by 48, izonginikeza the monthly payments. But on a monthly basis, there's also another fee, which is 13 rand 50. Uyayi-add ke nayo 13 rand 50. If bekune insurance, now uyayi-add ngoba uyibhatala on a monthly basis. So our answer la is about 12,000 divided by 48 is equal to 26 plus 13,50. The answer is 279.83. 279.83 rands. Now monthly installment day 2. Alright, again. Now 6.2. On his 29th birthday, John invested 5,000 rand on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. His shares increased in value by 20% compounded annually. How much would his investment be worth on his 60th birthday? Esikolweni, we are not taught how to invest, or let me say abasifundisi ngemali, right? Try to find or try to educate yourself ngemali, right? Especially at your age, manje, like right now, this is the proper age to start investing, to start saving for your retirement yakho manje. Yes, lo mkheronyana lo labo 10 rand labo. Imagine now ungasave abo 10 rand every month for the next, I don't know, unangayiki manje, let's say una 16 years, 16 mhlambe ufuna ukuretire maybe at the age of 40 minus 16, so yobeka imali yakho for the next 24 years times 12 months equal to, let's say ufaka ama 10 rand, so ne 2,880 plus ama interest ungayithola ihleli lapha kubobani 4,000 something. So but ngoba the more ukhula, it's the more earn nakhona, angisho. Let's say mhlawumbe so uyasebenza ke manje, right? Instead of saving 10 rand every month, ungayi increase maybe to 1,000 rand, so on and so on. Uyabona, ungayi invest in the stock exchange market or even on ama banks for something low risk. Uyabona, but educate yourself ngemali, right? So this guy John decided to save 5,000 rand. Ufuna invest in the stock exchange, Johannesburg Stock Exchange, right? There are apps ongawasebenzisa for investing kulo ku stock exchange. Ungasay ungabha ama shares wase Shoprite, Pick n Pay, Woolworths, your favorite stores. Ungawathenga ama shares for all of those stores. There are apps akhona out there where unga investor khona, right? So this guy investor this much, and then the contract, the agreement with the company's mhlamba investor now, right? There's a compounding effect kuma investments wakhe annually 20% compounded annually. This is a good return, 20% per annum. This is some good return, right? This is some good return. Ngoba banks, they don't give you anywhere near to 20%. That's why I get it. This is a good return. Now, since it's compounded, it's funa ukwazi ukuthi yobe enemalini on his 60th birthday. Accumulated is equal to principal 1 plus I raised to exponent n, principal of 5,000 rand investment yakhe 1 plus what's the interest to 20, 0.20 raised to exponent n. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi iyohlala for how many years. On a 29, on the 60th birthday, ufuna ukubuka ukuthi ube imali, right? But I would also advise John ukuthi instead ukuthi afake le 5000 rand lena kube once off payment nje. How about afake 5000 5000 5000 5000 5000 5000 until afike ku 60th birthday yakhe. Now the difference between u60 no 29, 60 years subtract 29, that is 31, equal to 5000 rand 1 plus 0.20 exponent 31. Wow, wow, million. Jesus, chineke ngifaka 50,000. Wow, hey ngenzani mali engaka? Yo, a million. This is possible. This is in real life. This is possible. 1424. Okay, it's 1 million. Okay, 1,424,257 257,88 rand. Wow, it's a lot of money. But imagine, just imagine if ever bekafaka ama 5,000 rand on a monthly basis. Imagine beyuba imali le mali. Yabona? Ha, seka set for life ke manje. Angahamba eDubai, angatravel umhlaba man until iziphele le mali yakhe. Yabona? Ingaba iningi. Let's say for instance maybe bekuyi 100,000 tikele. What if bekuyi 100,000? Yo 28 million rand. Imagine. Let's say bekuyi 200,000 tike manje. Yo 56 million rand. Wow. Okay, thanks for tuning in, guys. This video is uphelela lana. Our question 6 uphelela lana. Hope we enjoy it. In the description box ungakhohlwa kunamanye ama questions ongawa checka engwaphendulile for this question paper. So for now, asibonane on the flip side. Peace.